It's never too early to start planning for Mother's Day. And this year, if you are looking for a special way to celebrate your mom, don't just give her a gift. Give her a fairy tale experience. Pastor Ricky Rush and the men of IBOC proudly present the 2018 Mother's Evening Tea Experience, being a virtuous woman in the 21st century. An elegant evening of royal treatment is waiting, featuring flavorful assorted teas, savory foods, and exquisite desserts, along with a dreamland-inspiring message and a few surprises that will make this year a Mother's Day to remember. Friday, May 11th from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Tickets are limited, so go to any lobby after service to reserve your mom's seat for the 2018 Mother's Evening Tea Experience.